So execute any or all operator. And this is what SQL joins. In the first chapter of the third module, only SQL joins were left. See, actually we had, what is the main difference between relational set operators and type? Like use get the records. Okay, it's not mandatory that the attribute names should be common as with the second table values also. No, not like that. So if there was one attribute which is common to the two tables, that is sufficient to perform the join operation. Okay. So join the joins. I will show you you have done. You have to note down a single line of definition and you have to put the screenshot. That's it. And upload it into the module. I will create one link. So in that you have to upload everybody. And I will just check the table names. That should be matched with your roll number. So see here, we have the joins concept, cross join. So the types of joins are cross, equi, natural, and also self join, outer joins. So I'll show you here the syntax. But one thing, students, you have to create the tables. So cross join, I have already told you cross product. What we'll get generally, if a table consists of the two records, the first table, and the second table if it consists of three records, then each and every record from one table which will be mapped to the second table. So two records into three of the second table. So 6 records we will get. I will show you here the output. Suppose if we took the two tables. Okay, so then if I perform the cross join in between the two tables, I'll get this kind of result. See here, the first record, it will be just mapped to each and every record in the second table. I request everybody, you should have the tables. If you have the tables like student name and the course name, that is okay. But the course table, it should have the SID as an attribute. Student table, course table, whatever the attribute that SID in the student table, okay, you have to create that particular SID in the course table and perform the cross join operation. Okay, see in this, see like this you have to get. Suppose in your student table there were 4 records and in the course table there were 5 records. Then we will get 4 into 5, 20 records as an output, and each and every record from the first table, it will be just mapped to the second table. Okay, so this is what the cross join, and this is the syntax. This is what I have given the explanation just now. So this is the syntax, students. Select star from. So this is one table, cross join. You have to put select star from one table name and then you have to write cross join. Okay. Then again put the second table. Okay. Then it will be just joined together. We'll get the output as same as the above. And like this also we can perform cross join syntax use cheyakanda. If suppose if you have mentioned like this, then also you will get the output. Select star from student comma course. But meeku, even in the mid examination also, if they ask you to write the syntax for the cross join, then put the cross join. Don't go with the second syntax. That is the alternative one. And the second one is equi-join. Equi-join, Amma, I'm saying the difference between the equi-join and the natural join is actually equi-join also which is used to join the two tables together. So what happened here is, in the cross join, there was no specific condition. It will join each and every record from one table to the other table. But here, based on the condition, it will perform the join operation. See, this is the syntax for the equijoin. Suppose you have imagined that you have created the student table and the course table. So select. So if you want to display the student names from the first table and the course name from the second table, based on the condition, the students who have registered for the courses, okay, that related to the correspondent students names and course values that you want to display, then this is the query syntax. So what you have to do is select column 1 comma column 2. That means select S name comma C name from what tables here, student comma course, where table 1 means you have to take student dot sid equal to course dot sid, because in both the two tables we had the attribute that is common sid. So the sid values which are there in the course table, okay, so based on that we will get that particular student name and the course name. So this is what equijoin. It is nothing but based on some condition, it will perform the join operation. Okay. And what about the natural join? It is naturally perform the join operation even if you have not specified the condition. It naturally takes the condition. Okay, what you have to remember is, so that we will get the same output even for the equation natural join. Natural join syntax is, you have to write select star from table 1, maybe student, and just write natural join, and after then type table 2 name. That's it. You will get the output. Okay, whatever you will get it for the equijoin. In the equijoin, we are explicitly specifying the condition. But for the natural join, no need to specify explicitly any of the condition. It will work naturally. Okay, students, execute the joins, SQL joins. See, maybe yesterday there was a meeting. As the complete concepts are practical, maybe you will get practical oriented questions for the mid examination. Okay, as it was not the theory, so the course champions and the subject faculty are discussing about on this. So you might get question by like giving the queries and all. You have to execute it and show us the result. That is what I am just asking you to execute everything. Otherwise,
can you show equijoin?
Okay. See here. This is the syntax map. This is the example syntax. If you have the student name from the course from the student table and course name from the course table, this is the syntax. Just put the where clause and write the condition. Table 1 dot column 1 equal to table 2 dot column 1. Column 1 అంటే ఏంటంటే అమ్మ మేబీ సి కోర్స్ టేబుల్లో you might take the column 1 as CID. No, not like that. Okay, you have to take what the attribute that is common from both the two tables. So student.sid equal to course.sid. and check whether are you getting the same output for the equijoin and for the natural join. Perform the cross join, equijoin, natural join.
And from table 1, column number 1 will be student number, no ma'am.
That is what I am saying. No? What you have to do is that is one. Actually, whatever the attribute which is common in two tables, take that
Okay,
attribute.
ma'am.
See here, even in this example also, table one SID, because SID is the common attribute between the two tables.
Ma'am, column ambiguously defined.
That means you are not mentioning the table names perfectly. Can you share your screen?
1 second. Ma'am, permission.
Okay, given. What?
Ma'am, I have defined two tables, ma'am, here. Students and course IDs. I mean course.
Cross join, you got it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Select star from.
1 second, ma'am.
See what here you are giving. Go
Like-
up first. Go little bit up. In the student, what the attribute name that you have specified? Name or S name?
Name,
Name,
ma'am.
huh? Okay, okay. Come down. See, you are selecting everything. No, don't do it. Select something. Okay, select S name.
1 second, ma'am. Name.
No, no. There you have mentioned name, no? So
Yes, ma'am.
give name.
Name,
Comma. Yes, course name.
course. From student 003, comma.
From. Put the two tables. What is that condition you are specifying within the brackets? No, not needed actually.
No need, ma'am.
No, write where. Space, give space where. And write the syntax. Table 1.sid equal to table 2.sid. Equivalent you haven't specified. Okay, okay, no need. Okay, go ahead.
Got it, ma'am.
Do the natural join also, you will get the same result.
Okay.
And observe the output based on what you are getting.
Okay, ma'am.
And give the different values. In the student table, how many of the student SIDs that you have mentioned there? Only two.
Two members,
And
ma'am.
you are giving here also the two,
Three.
1 and 2 is here. So try to give one more record in the SID so that you can know the difference, because that SID value you will not get as an output here if that SID value is not included in the course table. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing. Good. Next. So, see, whatever you have done, you just make a single line of definition and just copy paste that screenshot. That's it. Even the course table also, for the course table, you have to write your last 4-digit roll number. If you are having any doubts, just ask me. I'll clarify your doubt. So at 11 o'clock again we have lab session. We'll finish the joints concept and then after that I will tell you about the PLSQL. This is very much important. You will get this question PLSQL in the lab external one. See, actually this semester we are going to conduct 2 internal labs on this on the subject Dbms. Okay, actually we got decided yesterday. We are going to conduct 2 lab internals. So prepare well. If you have executed, then I can give the marks. Okay, if you have not done, not shown any progress to me when I called you and when I asked you to share, that is all your wish. Okay, students, I'm ending the session. Thank you.
Thank you.